The rickshaw, battery-powered rickshaw van and easy bike Sangram Parishad has staged a demonstration in front of the National Press Club this morning, presenting a 7-point demand aimed at resolving their challenges and securing their livelihoods. Leaders and activists of the Parishad gathered during the demonstration, urging the government to take immediate steps to meet their demands. The Parishad called for the registration of electric bikes, rickshaws and other battery-operated vehicles under existing regulatory frameworks along with license and route permits for drivers. The demonstrators argued that battery-powered vehicles play a vital role in ensuring affordable and sustainable transportation for millions. The Parishad leaders warned of further protests if their demands are not met immediately.
এই সকল কিছুর বিপরীতে আপনাকে চাই যে এই 3 দিনের আলোচনা
নগদের সর্বোচ্চ বার 167 টাকা রিচার্জে পাবেন 1 লাখ টাকা পুরস্কার। আরও আছে প্রতি সপ্তাহে পুরস্কার ও ক্যাশব্যাক।